A Russian FPV drone engaged and destroyed a Ukrainian position, striking with speed that left personnel no time to evade. A Russian FPV drone operator conducting reconnaissance spotted a Ukrainian pickup truck. 2 Ukrainian soldiers attempted to jump out and escape, but they were likely unsuccessful. 10:50 p.m., December 16, 2025. A Russian strike drone detected a group of Ukrainian forces during a routine rotation and promptly engaged the position, disrupting the movement and affecting the unit's ability to complete the maneuver. The Russian Air Force carried out strikes on 2 Ukrainian command centers in Gaul. The attacks appear to have been conducted using guided missiles. Dnipropetrovsk region. On a cold winter morning, a Russian fiber-optic drone conducts reconnaissance. An FPV drone spots 5 Ukrainian soldiers among the trees. Mistaking the drone for one of their own, the soldiers remain in place and do not attempt to flee. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. FPV drones are nearly impossible to counter without full, constant focus, making them highly effective on the modern battlefield. Kupiansk direction. A precision strike targeted the rear of a Ukrainian military vehicle, disrupting movement and impacting logistical activity in the area. A civilian-type vehicle being used by Ukrainian forces was targeted and disabled during an engagement, impacting mobility and logistical movement in the area. In the Kharkov region, Russian drone and strike crews continue to target Ukrainian military vehicles, disrupting transport and operational mobility. Operators from the 68th Division of the Leningrad Military District carried out highly effective strikes, as shown in footage depicting the neutralization of 18 enemy vehicles of various types. The operation demonstrates the precision, coordination, and sustained impact of specialized units in degrading enemy logistics and maneuver capabilities on the battlefield. A Swedish-supplied CV-90 infantry fighting vehicle was disabled in the Sumy region. The incident resulted in the vehicle being rendered inoperable, highlighting the continued intensity of combat in the area and the vulnerability of armored assets when operating under persistent surveillance and precision strike conditions. Snow has begun to fall in some areas along other parts of the front. Another abandoned armored vehicle was destroyed. Russian FPV drones equipped with high-explosive payloads struck a building that was being used by 2 Ukrainian soldiers. The precision engagement resulted in the structure being disabled and the position rendered combat ineffective. In the Kramatorsk-Drushkivka direction, a Russian FPV drone operator detected a military unit concealed in open, arid terrain. This sector of the front is increasingly showing signs of a prolonged campaign aimed at attrition and sustained pressure. Footage released by the Telegram channel Iznanka shows a Russian Aerospace Forces strike employing FAB-250 aerial munitions equipped with UMPK guidance kits against positions of Ukrainian forces in the settlement of Glushkovka, near Kupiansk in the Kharkov region. The strike reflects a focus on systematically degrading defensive positions, logistics, and endurance, underscoring how aerial firepower is being used to apply continuous operational pressure over time rather than seeking rapid breakthroughs. The first official video from the Ministry of Defense in Siversk shows that after clearing the city, soldiers from the 6th Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade of the 3rd Combined Arms Army, part of the Southern Group, conducted door-to-door searches in apartment buildings and private homes to provide medical assistance to civilians remaining in the area. Additionally, while inspecting surrounding areas, the soldiers checked roads and nearby zones for explosive devices, safely neutralizing any hazardous materials discovered using controlled detonations. Drone crews from the Sever Group destroyed a Baba Yaga hexacopter and an artillery system of Ukrainian forces in the Sumy region. 005 UAV operators from the Vostok Group engaged Ukrainian hexacopters and control antennas in Gulyapol. 013 an FPV drone crew from the 51st Guards Army of the Center Group neutralized a Ukrainian strongpoint in the Krasnoarmysk direction. 022 kamikaze drone teams destroyed a hexacopter, a pickup truck, and a quad bike transporting Ukrainian personnel. 038 UAV crews carried out strikes on Ukrainian strongpoints, personnel, and an electronic warfare station near the settlement of Sadki in the Sumy region. Footage from the Zaporizhia front shows a Ukrainian armed forces soldier accepting surrender following a targeted fiber-optic drone operation against an enemy command center in the village of Primorsky. The precision drone strike disrupted the command post, allowing Ukrainian forces to secure the area and take control with minimal risk to personnel. December 16, 2025. Footage provides additional context from Mirnograd amid ongoing security operations in the area. During clearance activities, Russian forces reported discovering 4 personnel from the 38th Marine Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces who were allegedly attempting to blend in among civilians. According to information shared by the Telegram channel Rabbitate, Bratya, the individuals were identified and detained as the situation in the city continued to be stabilized. FPV drone operator Kostin, from the 291st Regiment of the 42nd Division, conducted a highly effective operation described by troops as a lucky day. Flying with precision over enemy defensive setups intended to protect transport routes, Kostin successfully neutralized several hostile vehicles. In addition, his operation disrupted remaining enemy personnel movements around Orkhov, contributing to the overall tactical advantage in the area. It has been a long time since such a complete and uninterrupted FPV drone action video has surfaced. The footage provides an unusually detailed look at how these operations unfold in real combat conditions, from target acquisition to final engagement. By following the drone's perspective throughout the mission, the video conveys the speed, tension, and decision-making involved at every stage. It offers a clear sense of what these moments look like on the ground, highlighting how FPV drones have become an integral tool in shaping the battlefield and influencing outcomes in real time. The Russian drone operator detected a heavy 6-rotor helicopter-type UAV. The Ukrainian drone was destroyed by a Russian fiber-optic FPV drone while attempting to drop 2 mines. Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments. Subscribe and like for more updates. Kharkov region. Operations in the area are being conducted by the Footballer Drone Unit, known for its coordinated and precise unmanned strikes. During these missions, the unit focuses on identifying enemy positions, targeting logistics and personnel, and disrupting defensive arrangements to support broader ground operations. In the settlement of Sudoplatov, the unit carried out targeted engagements, demonstrating rapid response, high maneuverability, and effective use of aerial surveillance. The operation highlights how specialized drone groups are increasingly shaping tactical outcomes on the battlefield, combining reconnaissance, precision strikes, and real-time intelligence to maintain pressure on opposing forces while minimizing exposure to friendly troops. On the Sumy axis, an enemy infantry group was successfully dismounted. Without transport, and surrounded by thickets where countless drones operate, their chances of escape are slim. Russian UAV operators deployed from KVN to monitor the crossing point on the Osil River in Kapanskovoy, capturing remarkable footage of 3 FAB-500 bombs equipped with UMPKs being delivered to the area. FPV crews from the 1st Infantry Battalion of the 217th Guards Airborne Regiment, part of the 98th Guards Airborne Division, continue to demonstrate a high level of proficiency during combat operations. Their missions show consistent effectiveness even against field-installed counter-drone measures, including protective netting, highlighting adaptability and precision in challenging operational conditions. Footage shows a Russian combat aircraft delivering FAB-series unguided bombs against a Ukrainian position. Based on the strike pattern and typical operational use, the aircraft could be a Su-34 or Su-24, which are commonly deployed for such missions. The bombs appear to be in the 250 to 500 kilograms range, consistent with standard FAB-250 or FAB-500 munitions used for area suppression of fortified positions. FPV drone units from Russian airborne formations of the Dnepr Motor Rifle Division continue conducting strikes against Ukrainian armed forces positions in the Orkhov direction. These operations focus on disrupting defensive layouts and degrading fortified positions, reflecting the ongoing use of FPV drones as a key tool in shaping the tactical situation along this sector of the front. A UAV crew from the 30th Motorized Rifle Regiment of the 44th Army Corps successfully struck a Ukrainian armed forces shelter in Sumy Oblast. The strike hit its target precisely, demonstrating the accuracy and effectiveness of Russian drone operations. Russian drones are maintaining constant pressure on Ukrainian forces near Kupiansk, preventing any attempt to break out of the operational encirclement. FPV and reconnaissance drones patrol the area, tracking troop movements and targeting vehicles and personnel attempting to escape. These operations are coordinated with artillery and frontline units, ensuring that Ukrainian groups remain contained and vulnerable. The combination of aerial surveillance, precision strikes, and rapid targeting has significantly restricted enemy mobility, forcing them to remain in exposed positions. Footage from the scene shows scattered Ukrainian units unable to regroup, highlighting the effectiveness of persistent drone operations in controlling key sectors of the battlefield. The encirclement strategy demonstrates how modern unmanned systems can shape engagements and maintain tactical dominance over enemy forces.